Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video with Dos Bros Travel Adventures. And in this case, we're going to show you how to use your phone without those extra charges when you arrive internationally. We had done this in Costa Rica but decided to take it a try right now that we're in IBIZA. As you can see, this beautiful island, it's amazing. So don't miss that video in our channel. And if you are in the same situation that we are and your phone plan doesn't cover international calls in IBIZA, be careful because your phone bill can get really expensive really quick. So if you want to avoid this, stay tuned because we're going to show you how to use an eSIM card in IBIZA that's unlimited. And the best thing about it is that you will save overcharges in your cell phone company, and you also don't have to look for a physical SIM card because you can install it even before you board your plane. Because if you're like us, you probably hate to pay $10 a day just to use your phone when you travel to other countries, or just worrying about where to get the SIM card for your phone when you arrive. We used to do that, and sometimes we even had to go to the office, find an office, show our passports, and sometimes even took half a day of our vacation just to do this. So check this out, guys. We found a solution for you to be able to use your phone even before you arrive at the airport on your destination. And you can do this with an electronic SIM card from Holafly, which will also let you use your own phone and keep your number, with some of the best deals around. And on this video, we'll explain how the eSIM card from Holafly works. It's very easy and convenient, and in case you run into trouble installing the eSIM card from Holafly, we'll also include some of the videos that Holafly includes to show you how to install the eSIM in your phone. And if you guys come from another country or the US, you will find out that if you have the newer phones, they don't have an actual SIM card on the phones anymore. This will be an issue if you carry one of these phones because you won't be able to use your own phone. Because in most countries, they sell the SIM cards, the physical card. And it's going to become a problem for people who have newer phones, but lucky to you, there's the electronic card from Holafly.
If this tip is being of any help to you, show your appreciation and smash that like button so YouTube can promote our video.
It's free and it will tremendously help our channel grow.
And here's a special offer just for you Dos Bros fans. We'll set up the link for the Holafly website in our video description. And if you type Dos Bros with capital letters, you'll get a special discount when you order. Make sure to do all capital letters and the word all together when you type Dos Bros. Alright guys, and before we show you how the eSIM card from Holafly works, don't forget to check out our channel for the IBIZA video, because we have a complete itinerary you can do for up to 1 week. And it can help you plan your next vacation to IBIZA. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the holafly.com website and find your destination and select your plan. And once you have completed your transaction with the Dos Bros code, you will be sent a QR code to your phone. Then when you scan your QR code, you will be guided on how to install the eSIM card from Holafly. And this is very important, guys. Don't uninstall the eSIM card after you have installed it. Even if you think you make a mistake, call the call center of Holafly and they'll be able to help you, because if you uninstall it, it won't work again. Once you have finished the installation and the eSIM card is installed on your phone, you'll be ready to go. Your unlimited data will be ready to use at your destination. You can use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, send messages, and you can make calls through WhatsApp, which, by the way, everybody here in IBIZA uses WhatsApp, so you are able to make calls home and locally. But one important thing that you need to remember is don't activate your card as soon as you install it. Wait till you land at your destination and then you can activate your card right there. And to check if you have installed it properly, go to your settings and make sure that you can see the Holafly eSIM card in there. Name it with the name of the country of your destination, and make sure that you also put your data roaming on, because this is the way the Holafly eSIM card works. And once you're all set, you are ready to go and enjoy your time in IBIZA with your Holafly eSIM card. And guys, if this video was of any help for you on your vacation, please give us a like. That way YouTube will recommend this video to other travelers like yourself. And always remember that if you run into any trouble installing your eSIM card from Holafly, or you just don't know how to do it and you want somebody to help you, contact customer service and they'll be happy to help you. Alright guys, and here's the video about IBIZA and the top 11 things that you can do when you're in this beautiful island. Hope to see you on the subscribe list and see you in the next adventure.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dos Bros, we out.
Bye bye, brother. See you next video.